private therapy rooms. We got 3 of those.
Okay.
And then we got therapy. So this is open to the community center members as well. But we also use it for therapy. You know, obviously you can't swim laps or anything because it's not that big, but it's heated, 92 degrees versus the one in town is kind of cool. So if somebody's got arthritis and stuff, this is a perfect place for them to exercise. And then here's just another therapy room with traction. You can do lumbar traction, cervical traction. Okay, and then they've got the walking track around, which has been very popular. It's actually 30 laps per mile. You'd be surprised how many people are using it. And then there's also a track around the whole outside of the building that is 15 laps per mile. And we've had quite a few people use that as well. And then all kinds of, you know, fitness equipment, pretty well anything you want. Upper body, lower body, core, strengthening, endurance. We'll head around the track over to the library. And this is going to be a satellite office for the library. They've got books and they're getting books. They've got computers with internet that people can use, and then magazines as well.
Well done.
Hi.
Hi.
You're in the library. Say hello, Norma. Norma.
Thank you.
You ate it.
Making some progress.
Do you remember Mallory that used to work for us? Yeah. I do too. Alrighty, any questions? That's pretty well it. Just the big lap, and then everything we've got in here.
All right. I think I'll just walk around and
Go for it.
Like all the books, this is so awesome because this is right during summer. Like we can put all our kids.
Everyone else is kind of filtering right behind them. Get close.
I kind of want to be hidden.
I know, right?
Oh, look how nice that looks. Everyone just smile pretty for a few pictures. Okay. Is everyone ready for a ribbon cutting?
Yes, we are.
All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Nice job.